Alright, so here's the thing with oversized shirts. I love them. They're absolutely gorgeous and they look cool too. But here's the thing, if you don't want to tuck in, and I totally get it, sometimes it's so hard for us to tuck in shirts, and me too. You want to eat something, you want it to be nice and cool and flowy, and I totally get that. So if it's oversized shirt, make sure it's a little bit shorter and cuts you right here, around here, somewhere around here, because what happens is, if it's like this big, okay, you might look like a floppy mess, you know what I mean? Because it's already so baggy. But the same thing, it's oversized no matter how big it is, but when it cuts right here around this area, it will look just fine. So even when you walk and there's a flow, it's a good flow. It's a very nice flow. And that's your oversized shirt. No need to tuck in, and that's it. But let's just jizz it up a little bit. What I would do is take a waistcoat, any waistcoat. You can get this from Zara, H&M, RW&CO, you name it. Everyone's making the leather ones. They're making this jeans one, maybe like the other coat material, the jacket material. It's all there. So just take this in, just pair it up. Pair it up, leave it loose, just something. Don't you just love this? It's like you're still cool, you've got your act together, and that's all you need. And now comes the time for bag and shoes, and then let's rock it up.